सुपर्ववसुधाधिनाथसुदृशो जलोद्धृतगतेस्तवोयमनद्यः कृतिर्गणपते करोतु विधुतिं भयस्य भरतक्षमातलजुषाम्।
Namaste, I am Sukruta Mulgund and welcome to Sanskrita Mitra celebrating the rich Sanskrit heritage of India. Today we present before you selected verses from Indrani Saptashiti written by Vasishta Ganapati Muni. Sri Vasishta Ganapati Muni, also known as Nayana, was the first and foremost disciple of Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. Nayana was a highly intellectual and spiritual personality with a vast knowledge of Sanskrit and an ardent devotee of Mother India. He is a literary genius known as Kavya Kantha, the one with poetry in his throat. A scholar poet, Sri Vasishta Ganapati Muni has many spiritual and other writings in Sanskrit to his credit. Uma Sahasram, Gita Mala, Ramana Gita, Ramana Chatvarimshat, and Saddarshanam are a few titles. Among his writings is his magnum opus, Uma Sahasram, the 1,000 verses written in praise of goddess Uma. The Muni's life story has been beautifully rendered in the famous biography Vasishta Vaibhavam by his disciple Sri Kapali Shastriyar. Indrani Saptashiti, 700 shlokas in adoration of goddess Indrani, is a grand poem which expresses his deep love for India. The poet seeks the grace of the Divine Mother to give us strength to take up the immense task of serving our country in order that it regains its lost glory. Each verse ends with the words Tavamba Charanam Vrajami Sharanam. We seek refuge in thy feet. So we pray to the Mother for the safety, protection and progress of Mother India. In these tough times, we have to pray to obtain the grace of God, not just for ourselves, but for the people of the entire nation. So here are a few verses of Indrani Saptashiti.
कुलं बहुविधं बलन्न भुजयो कथन्नु विपदस्तरेम भरताः समर्थमधुना विपद्विदुतये तवाम्बचरणं व्रजामि शरणम्.
Our country is huge, but the people are not strong enough to handle their difficulties. Give them the strength to resolve their problems, so I seek refuge in thy feet, O Mother.
समस्तमपि च स्वदेशविदुषां विधानपटलं बभूव विफलम् अभाग्यदमनक्षमन्तदधुना तवाम्बचरणं व्रजामि शरणम्.
Our country has great men, scholars with immense abilities, but they have not received their due recognition. In these times, I seek your refuge to lead them to prosperity.
चिरात् स्मृतिपथादपि च्युतमजे तपोबलभवं तमार्षविभवम् स्वदेशमधुना पुनर्गमयितुं तवाम्बचरणं व्रजामि शरणम्.
Our nation since ages has forever been great because of its knowledge and spirituality. We pray to you to help us regain its lost glory.
हतं च विहतं धुतं च विधुतं रुदन्तमभितो विशिष्टकरुणे इमं स्वविषयं शिवं गमयितुं तवाम्बचरणं व्रजामि शरणम्.
to rebuild that which has been destroyed, to fill up again that which has been emptied, and to save the people from sorrow, we need your grace to take us back to prosperity.
सुपर्ववसुधाधिनाथ सुदृशो जलोद्धृतगतेस्तवोयमनद्यः कृतिर्गणपते करोतु विधुतिं भयस्य भरतक्षमातलजुषाम्.
We pray that the Mother, pleased with this prayer composed by Ganapati Muni, will take away fear from the minds of our people and bring safety to our nation. We at Sanskrita Mitra would like you to celebrate with us the rich Sanskrit heritage of India as we bring forth many such gems from Vasishta Ganapati Muni and many other scholars who are India's true treasures. Join us on this beautiful journey. Make Sanskrita your Mitra. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Sanskrita Mitra. Thank you.